if I'm selecting you as a project manager or a project engineer or site engineer at the site, what you will do? So what are the things you will do as a first step? So whenever the interviewer is asking this question, you have to answer like, yes, sir, I will do the execution. So I will learn it because I'm a fresher. So I don't have much idea about it. Definitely I will learn day by day basis. So first I will read the drawing, sir. I will understand and analyze the drawing, sir. So what is the scope of work? What is the budget? What is the timeline? What all the items are there? What all the vendors are finalized? What all the vendors are not finalized? I will check all the things, sir. So after that, if I have any doubts, I will talk to my senior management. I will get the help from them. I will, according to that, I will do the execution, sir. That's all. That's all the major part is. So if you are saying this words no, they'll be relaxed. So they will understand this guy is respecting everyone. So he is giving a priorities. So they will give the more priority to you.